Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best computer air duster selected for their powerful airflow, precision nozzles, reusable designs, and safe electronics-friendly cleaning. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. THERAGUN X3 Ultra Air Duster. The THERAGUN X3 Ultra Air Duster positions itself as a high-performance, multi-purpose cleaning tool designed for users who want maximum power without relying on disposable compressed air cans. Powered by a brushless motor capable of reaching up to 180,000 RPM, it delivers an impressive wind speed exceeding 58 meters per second, making it highly effective for removing stubborn dust from keyboards, PC components, camera gear, and tight crevices. The 4 adjustable speed modes provide flexibility, allowing users to switch from gentle airflow for delicate electronics to a powerful store mode suitable for outdoor tasks like inflating air mattresses or drying pet hair. Its 10,000 mAh lithium-ion battery offers strong runtime and reinforces its cost-effective, eco-friendly appeal. The build quality stands out, featuring a durable FR4 and ABS body with a rubberized soft-touch coating that improves grip and comfort during extended use. Practical accessories, including a storage bag, cleaning brush, and USB Type-C charging cable, enhance usability.
Number 2. Violent Blower X7 Air Duster. The Violent Blower X7 Air Duster is engineered for users who value a balance between power, durability, and efficient everyday operation. Featuring a high-speed brushless motor with a maximum speed of 90,000 RPM, it generates wind speeds up to 45 meters per second, delivering reliable dust removal for keyboards, automotive interiors, workshop tools, and household surfaces. Its metal body construction adds durability while maintaining a manageable weight of 468 grams, making it comfortable for handheld use. The built-in triple 2500 mAh lithium battery configuration ensures extended runtime, suitable for longer cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. Support for 20-watt fast charging through a Type-C interface further enhances convenience and minimizes downtime. The X7's low heat generation and stable operating performance make it suitable for repeated use across different environments, from office desks to garages and outdoor spaces. Its versatility is one of its strongest advantages, handling tasks such as soot blowing, carbon fire maintenance, car console cleaning, and crevice debris removal with ease.
Number 3. FENNEC X64 Air Duster. The FENNEC X64 Air Duster is built for heavy-duty users who require extreme airflow and industrial-grade performance. Equipped with a powerful 64mm brushless motor and an 11-blade fan assembly, it delivers an exceptional thrust of up to 1,400 grams, making it suitable for demanding tasks such as industrial dust removal, yard cleaning, snow clearing, and rapid surface drying. With a working power rated at 1,000 watts and a high-capacity 8,000 mAh battery pack composed of 8 21700 cells, the X64 provides sustained output for intensive cleaning sessions. Its stepless speed adjustment system allows precise airflow control, enabling users to tailor performance for delicate electronics or aggressive debris removal. The intelligent temperature control system and built-in power-off protection enhance operational safety and prevent accidental activation. Despite its power-focused design, the FENNEC X64 remains versatile enough for household and automotive use, including keyboard cleaning, car washing water removal, and tight-gap debris clearing. For users who prioritize raw performance, flexibility, and reliability across residential, commercial, and outdoor applications, the FENNEC X64 stands out as a high-capacity air duster built for serious work. Number 4. isfriday X50 Pro Air Duster. The isfriday X50 Pro Air Duster is a premium-grade solution that combines powerful performance with refined design and advanced user features. Its 64mm high-speed brushless motor, paired with an optimized duct system, produces up to 1,500 grams of thrust and wind speeds reaching 350 km per hour, delivering consistent and stable airflow even under prolonged use. The stepless CNC machine metal control knob allows precise wind adjustment, making it suitable for both sensitive electronics and heavy debris removal. A standout feature is its 16,000 mAh battery pack, which supports up to 60-watt ultra-fast charging and offers extended runtime, with full charging achievable in approximately 20 minutes. The integrated digital power display provides real-time battery monitoring, while ambient SOS lighting adds both functionality and visual appeal. Constructed from carbon fiber composite materials, the X50 Pro is lightweight, heat-resistant, and comfortable to hold. Multiple safety protections, including temperature, current, and short-circuit safeguards, ensure reliable operation. Overall, the isfriday X50 Pro is an excellent choice for users seeking a high-performance, fast-charging, and visually refined air duster with professional-grade capabilities.
Number 5. Caer Adjustable Air Duster. The Caer Adjustable Air Duster is designed for users who want flexibility, portability, and environmentally responsible cleaning in one compact device. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, it delivers a wide airflow range from 15 meters per second to 70 meters per second, making it effective for everything from gentle electronics dusting to deep cleaning stubborn debris in window tracks and furniture gaps. Its stepless speed adjustment, spanning 25,000 to 80,000 RPM, allows precise control with smooth transitions, ensuring the right amount of force for each task. The ergonomic, lightweight design with an anti-slip grip supports comfortable one-handed operation, even in tight or elevated spaces. Fast charging capabilities and intelligent overheat protection contribute to safe, uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Beyond electronics, the Caer Air Duster excels in multi-scene applications, including pet drying, leaf blowing, inflating items, and general household maintenance. By eliminating the need for disposable compressed air cans, it offers a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative suitable for everyday use. And that wraps up the top 5 best computer air duster. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.